Hello everyone and welcome to Coding Thought. So in this tutorial we are going to solve this problem, guessing the output problem. And you can see here maximum people have voted for this output 10010. So let me explain you how the things are working here. Let me paste here the new problem, and here we are calling the function and passing the value 25. Let us comment this one as we have solved these two problems. Now this is a void type. So we will simply call this function fun2 and pass the value 25. Fun2 and pass the value 25, and it should be a static type since we are calling from the static main. Now we are done. So let us execute this one and see what is the output here. So here we are getting the output 10011, means this is the correct output 10011. 10011. So let me explain you how the recursive call is working here. Let me copy this one and explain you line by line. Let me explain you here. So this was the explanation for the previous problem. So let me paste here. Let me zoom out this one little bit. Now see how the things are working. Here we are calling this function fun2 by passing the value. We are calling this fun2 by passing the value 25. Now see, here the value is 25 for n. The control will go in if statement. And here it will check whether this value equal to 0. No. It will go and print the value n modular 2. So when you divide 25 modular 2, 25 modular 2, it will give value. Suppose here we are writing the output. It will print here 1. Remainder will be 1. And here again we are calling the same function by passing the value n divided by 2. So let us call this function again. And this time the value will be n divided by 2. So this is the modular operation in which we are getting the remainder, and this is divide, so the quotient will be 12. Now here we are passing the value 12. Again this value is not equal to 0, so it will go and print the value. So 12 modular 2, so remainder will be 0. So second time value is 12 modular 2. So when we divide by 2 here, the remainder will be 0. So this statement is done. Control will go in next statement, which is calling the same function again by passing the value n divided by 2. So let us call this same function again. Now here we have passed the value n, and now here we have passed the value n divided by 2, which is 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So my n value is here 6. Now here n is not equal to 0, it will go in print statement, and here 6 modular 2. So 6 modular 2, again the remainder will be 0. So 1 0 0. Now it will go in next line. In next line again we are calling the same function. Let us call this same function again, and here we have to pass the value n divided by 2, which is 6 divided by 2, which will be 3. So here my n value is 3. Control will go first in if statement, and again here n is not equal to 0, it will go in print statement. So it will go in print statement, and here we have written n modular 2. So next is 3 modular 2. So here we will get the remainder 1. So 1 is printed. Now again in the next statement it is calling the same function by passing the value n divided by 2. So let us pass the value. So here we have called the same function by passing the value n divided by 2. Again here the value is not equal to 0, so it will go in print statement, and here we have written 1 modular 2. So when we divide 1 modular 2, so when we do 1 modular 2, it will give 1. Now this statement is done. Now control will go in next line. In next line, it is calling the same function by passing the value n divided by 2. So let us call the same function again, and here it is passing the value 1 divided by 2, which will be 0. So here n value is 0. In if condition, the condition will be true and it will simply return. So it will return here in this line. Again it is closing here. So again the control will go. So from here again the control will return from where it is being called. Now from here again it will go from where it is being called. So from here again it will be returned to the call function. Now here it is finished. Again it will be returned to the call function. Again here it is finished. Now again from here it will go to the call function again. Here it is finished. Now we are done. Everything is over. Since everything is over, so finally it will print this value 1 0 0 1 1. So the correct output is this one 1 0 0 1 1. So I hope you understood this explanation, how this recursion is working, how the values are being passed and how the values are being calculated, and how the control is returning when the base condition is achieved. So if you learned something new, please do like our videos and subscribe to our channel Coding Cart, and stay tuned for the next videos. The next video we'll try to solve this problem. We'll try to get the output of this problem. So thanks for watching.